Hello students, today we study effect of temperature on resistance. As we know, resistance of a metallic conductor is rho L upon A. Here rho is resistivity. In terms of relaxation time, we know rho is equals to m upon n E square torque. Then we put this value and we get m upon n E square torque L upon A. So we get resistance of a metallic conductor. Here R is inversely proportional to torque. This is relaxation time. We studied in our previous video. As we know, when the temperature of metal conductor is raised, so our atoms ions of the metal vibrate with a greater amplitudes and greater frequency, so the thermal energy is increase. When thermal energy increase, collision of electrons increase toward the positive end, so relaxation time is reduced. So when R is increase, temperature is rise up. When R is increase, temperature is rise up. जब किसी भी मेटल का टेम्परेचर को हम इंक्रीज़ करते हैं तो मेटल्स आपस में आयंस जो हैं वो कोलाइड होना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनका एम्पलीट्यूड फ्रीक्वेंसी इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है। और जब एम्पलीट्यूड फ्रीक्वेंसी इंक्रीज़ होगा तो थर्मल एनर्जी इंक्रीज़ होगी, और जब थर्मल एनर्जी इंक्रीज़ होगी तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं वो स्पीडली मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे। जब वो स्पीडली पॉजिटिव एंड की तरफ जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे टाइम क्या हो जाएगा, कम, क्योंकि स्पीड क्या हो गई ज़्यादा। अगर टाइम कम हो गया तो रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो क्या होगा, इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा। सो रेजिस्टेंस एट एनी टेम्परेचर T डिग्री सेल्सियस इज़ RT. It represents resistance of a metal at T degree. R naught, this is the resistance of conductor at 0 degree Celsius. 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. Here alpha beta is temperature coefficient. If the temperature T degree Celsius is not sufficient large, which is most in practical cases, so this relation is RT equals to R naught 1 plus alpha T, and we can also write this R naught plus R naught alpha T, then RT minus R naught equals to R naught alpha T. From here we find alpha temperature coefficient RT minus R naught upon R naught T. This is temperature coefficient. Here RT minus R naught is increase in resistance. This is original resistance and this is temperature. So temperature coefficient is defined as increase in resistance per unit original resistance per degree rise of temperature. For metal, temperature coefficient is positive because resistance of a metal increase when rise in temperature. For insulator, temperature coefficient is negative. When temperature is rise up, resistance is decrease. For alloy, alpha is small due to resistivity high and temperature coefficient is small, low. So it is used in standard coil. These point is very important according to exam point of view. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.